All right, guys, now that you're in, I want to make sure that the way that you consume this course, you can get really the most out of it. And here's how you do that. Each section has lectures built in, and in those lectures, there's obviously exercises. I want you to play those exercises. They're 2 to 3 minutes each. Pause the video, and then jump in and actually execute that on your computer, right? Pause, take time, and execute. If you do that, what will happen is as the course goes on to the second and third and fourth parts, number one, you're gonna see so much momentum, the rest of your day is gonna fade away. You'll start seeing traffic come in. Once you get your lead opt-in set up, you'll start seeing leads come in. And after you get past the sales part, you'll start seeing your sales come in. That's really, really important. Now, I have to tell you guys, I'm a competitive guy. That's why I do business. So I'm totally committed to a 5-star experience for you guys. As you're going through the course, if you start feeling momentum and you're going, wow, I didn't think of that, you're gonna see some parts in this course and go, oh my gosh, that's an amazing tip. At those moments, take a second and go leave an honest review in the review section. I will definitely be watching there because again, I'm committed to creating a 5-star experience for you. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture.